In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play TSP like a pro on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how you can improve the experience of TSP when playing on a mobile device. So, the first thing that I would recommend is that you head over into the settings for Roblox, and in here, try to get as much performance as you can out of your device. What this means is that you should lower the graphics quality. Of course, if you lower it too much, it is going to look very ugly, but this will improve performance, especially on older devices. And the more performance you have, the more smooth the experience is going to be, and consequently, the better you will be able to chain combos, attacks, and skills together. You can try to find a common ground, so when you head over into these settings, try to find a graphical quality that doesn't impact performance too much while still giving you nice performance. And if you have some form of turbo mode on your mobile device, you can also use it as well. So for example, I have this game turbo, I recommend using it. I'm not going to do it for this video, but you can use some form of performance boost to improve the experience as well. With all of that said, you can consider connecting a controller, but if you don't have one or you want to play using touchscreen, I recommend also moving the buttons. So as you can see, if you go over to these settings and you tap this icon, you will be able to move them around. You can do pinch to actually increase or decrease the size, and you can position them in more favorable places. So by default, they will all be on the right. You might want to separate them. For example, place some of them on the left, some of them on the right. This way, it might make it easier to chain specific actions together using your thumbs. Once you are satisfied, you just tap on the option again and they will be locked like this. If you want to reset, you can use this option here. So like I said, my recommendation would be to move 2 of these buttons to the left and leave 2 of them on the right. For whatever reason, we can't change the position of the jump button, but everything else you will be able to position however you prefer. Besides this, it is just going to be about practice. Every single character is going to have different combos and abilities, so it's important that you practice with dummies as much as you can. For this video, I just wanted to give you some general tips on how you can improve the experience and consequently practice to get better. I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I wanted to highlight that according to the channel subscriptions, 83% of you are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.